put us all in the holiday spirit, I would like to demonstrate today how to paint raindrops, or as we call it, Hawaiian snow, on a lovely red hibiscus. Okay, as you can see, I have already painted my hibiscus, and next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wet a circular area where I want the raindrop to go. Kind of scrub it a little bit and put in some of my color that's already there. And I want to try to get it so that there's like I see the light kind of coming down this way, so I want there to be more of a shadow on this side. So I'm going to make sure I get the paint a little bit wetter on this side. And I might even have to tip it, but it's okay. What I like to do is make like a water droplet that's there, and when that dries, I will show you how to do some more water droplets. Let me add another couple down here, maybe one over here, maybe a long one kind of falling down there. So what you want to do is you want to kind of repeat the color that's already in your painting. And you always want to have it where there's one edge that's going to have the shadow. That's what makes it look three-dimensional, like it's going to pop right off the page. Okay, there's a couple good ones, maybe a small one here. Lighten that up a little bit. Maybe another small one here. I'm just going to add some more water. Okay. A little bit more paint there. And maybe another water droplet over on here somewhere. A little bit. So you can make these lifelike water droplets. Okay, now the best thing to do is to just kind of let this dry naturally, and then I'm going to show you some shading and how to make a little highlight to make it look even more realistic when we come back. Okay, now our water droplets are getting drier, and I'm going to put in some shadow. I'm just going to repeat the color that's in the flower. It's the same red. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to draw a little bit of a shadow around there, like that. Three-dimensional there. Popping off the page. Do the same thing with this one. Switch brushes here. Here, do one down here. Okay, and I even did one over here by the leaf. I even put that little shadow in there already. Now this is the part that's going to make it really stand out like a dewdrop. You get an X-Acto knife and you just lightly scrape that little highlight that you see in water droplets. Do that to everyone, just a little bit, and it just makes it look so lifelike. there you go. Nice tropical red hibiscus flower with some Hawaiian snow just in time for Christmas. I hope everybody's family has a wonderful holiday season and a great new year, and wishing you all very much a lot of aloha and love in the next coming year.